This is the Inkbird Temperature Gun. So this is essentially a thermometer that can be used for cooking, for general areas such as checking the temperature in reptile cages, and so forth. So this has a 12-to-1 distance spot ratio, meaning that it will accurately measure at great distances. So for me, I tried this out in my kitchen, which we will see right here. Let's take a look. Yeah, so you hold it for about 3 seconds to get the most accurate reading. It'll adjust as needed to give you the optimal temperature. You can switch it from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, as you see on those buttons on the back, top left should allow that change. And then after using it for about 30 seconds, it will automatically shut down as well, which is super helpful so you don't kill the battery. It's been a great way to check the temperature for pizzas, hot food, so you're not burning yourself, and make sure nothing's been in the danger zone. Definitely check it out.